Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is I'm drawing out a tattoo design for one of my friends, or an idea to give her. This is the 5th one I did, I think. And the first thing I started out with was drawing a circle. Obviously, if she's gonna get the tattoo done, it's gonna be an actual circle, but this is just me sketching out the circle. I'm starting out with a compass. The first thing I did was found reference photos off of Pinterest because she wanted a compass, she wanted mountains and flowers, and she likes sunflowers, so one of the designs has sunflowers in it. But this first design, or this is actually the last design I did, I started out with the compass. This look of the compass is the favorite one I have so far, I think. And then she also wanted arrows, which I'll add in later. I started adding ticks around the compass, and then I erased some of them to leave room to put mountains in. As you can see here, I started drawing some mountains in the middle. I think it goes well in the compass, and I think it's kind of cute and a little bit of a design. After the mountains, I started drawing the arrows. As you can see, I cannot draw a straight line. I mean, like most people, yeah, okay, most people probably can, but I mean, you can use a ruler, but it doesn't really matter that much when it's just a sketch. I erased multiple times. The left one I was hardcore struggling on, but that's okay. It still turned out alright. Here I started to add in the floral part of the tattoo design. I was looking at a reference photo while doing this one, and I don't think this particular leaf or flower style is my favorite, but it's just something different that I decided to do. After I finished the bottom leaf thing, I moved to the top one, and I started adding a bunch of leaves into the sides, and then it became kind of unbalanced. So I started to erase some, and then ended up with fewer leaves on the sides. But I'm not a big fan of this particular floral design compared to the other ones that I did. I'll show them at the end, but it's still kind of cute. Overall, this is what the tattoo design ended up looking like. I think the compass is cute, and most of it turned out pretty good. But thanks for watching, and I hope you design your own tattoo, or get this tattooed on you. Then you can DM me on Instagram and show me. But I think that would be cool, and I hope you learned something from this.